Is your Dodge Avenger's alarm randomly activating? The most common culprits are the door hood switch, the totally integrated power module, TIPM, or a weak key fob battery. Faulty door or hood switches send false open signals. The TIPM, the car's central power module, can malfunction due to internal failures or corrosion. A low-key fob battery can also cause the system to misinterpret signals and trigger the alarm. We'll cover how to diagnose and fix these issues. Start with the easiest fix. Replace the key fob battery with a CR232 lithium battery. This resolves many false alarm issues caused by weak signals. If that doesn't work, inspect the door and hood switches for corrosion or misalignment. Clean any corrosion with a soft cloth and ensure proper alignment. For TIPM issues, check for recalls on the Stellantis website or in tetsa.gov. A failing TIPM can sometimes be fixed with reprogramming using compatible OBD2 scanners. If these steps don't resolve the problem, consider TIPM replacement or refurbishment, as refurbished options are often more cost-effective. Remember to disconnect the battery before doing any electrical work to ensure safety.